Please join us on the journey of Kaixue cold chain technology. Technology Kaixue Safe Cold Chain. As a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production and marketing of cold chain equipment, Kaixue provides high-quality products and professional solutions for customers. With more than 20 years experience already in the industry, Kaixue strives to become a world-class cold chain solution provider. Kaixue's transport temperature control range includes self-powered truck and trailer, direct drive truck units, electric units, and bus AC. Products range covers boxes from 2 to 90 cubic meters volumes in single or multi-temperature zones. Options include electric standby, refrigerant choices, and a remote monitoring in units for frozen or chill cargo. In the climatic test chamber, the performance of unit is fully tested. Airflow, cooling and working parameters, salt spray corrosion, life cycle endurance tests and more are rigorously conducted to ensure that every product meets the high standards set by Kaixue. A breakthrough has been achieved in trailer unit design. A patented new design of airflow leads to more uniform temperature profile. Through the cargo enhanced energy savings, ensure that every product leaving the factory is of high standard. Achieve higher customer satisfaction, resulting in better deliveries to customers and energy savings. Kaixue all-electric units utilize full hermetic VFD compressors. Optional DC power, electric standby and CAN bus communications are available. The high safety standards, high energy efficiency along with practical cooling to weight ratios makes Kaixue equipment a great proposition to logistics customers. It's the best choice for vans, mini vehicles and light trucks for meeting modern urban delivery requirements and legislation. Kaixue participates in the development of digital transformation. Kaixue's online system covers the comprehensive range of products from transport temperature control through showcases to cold storage. Telematics we develop enable centralized management of remote assets through cell phone or head office desktop. This ensures the cold chain is secure from start of transport to the final display cabinet. Kaixue has established a cooperation between industry and several universities and scientific research institutions. The cold chain academic laboratories at the Chinese Academy of Sciences was established. Kaixue and the Henan Cold Industry Research Institute are working together also. Kaixue actively implements best practices and leading-edge technologies that are developed in-house or international. Kaixue obtained 291 national invention and utility model patents. It participated in the formulation of 3 national and 2 industry standards. Kaixue has sincerely adhered to the philosophy of persistence, innovation with responsibility. Kaixue Technology, your secure cold chain partner now for the future.